Good morning, students. In today's revision, we will discuss chapter Glimpses of India, part 1, A Baker from Goa. Now, see question number 1. What are the elders in Goa nostalgic about? The elders in Goa are nostalgic about the good old Portuguese days and their love of bread and loaves. The writer says that the eaters of loaves have left, but the makers still exist. Now, see question number 2. Is bread making still popular in Goa? How do you know? Yes, bread making is still popular in Goa. This is very clear from the narrator's statement that the eaters have gone away, leaving the makers behind. There are mixers, molders, and the one who bake the loaves. The time-tested furnace still exists there. Now see, question number 3. What is the baker called? The baker is called a pedder in Goa. Question number 4. When would the baker come every day? The baker would come twice a day, once early in the morning and second time when he returned after selling his stock. Why did the children run to meet him? The children would run to meet him as they wanted to have bread bangles. Now see, open page 87. Question number 1. Match the following. What is a must as marriage gifts? Cake and bolihas. What is marriage gift is sweet bread called balls. For a party or a feast, bread. Third, for a daughter's engagement, bread. Sandwiches. Fourth, for Christmas, cakes and bolihas. Now see question number 2. What did the bakers wear? In the Portuguese days, when the author was young, the bakers were usually dressed up in a peculiar dress called kabai. It was a single piece long frock reaching down to the knees. Second is when the author was young. During his childhood days, the author saw the bakers wearing a shirt and trousers which were shorter than full length ones and longer than half pants. Now see, third question, who invites the comment? He is dressed like a pedder. Why? Any person who is wearing a half pant which reaches just below the knees invites this comment. This is because the baker, known as a pedder, used to dress like that. Now see question number 4. Where were the monthly accounts of the baker recorded? Monthly accounts of the baker were recorded on some walls in the house with a pencil. Now see question number 5. What does a jackfruit-like appearance mean? It means having a plump physique like a jackfruit.